Fuck it.
To know this into lumen, I know. Even though you're claustrophobic, you know you'd be bad for it. Taking all my diamonds out in Mammoth just to have it. I still shoot and shutting out mouth and calling me more proud about it. All the little golden memories we got to live forever in my brain. OMG, I'm sorry that it's corny, but if you really know me, this is how I'll be. Honestly, I'm pretty sure you marked me permanently sharply. Yes, you are a part of me. OMG, yes, you are a part of me. We've got a lot of perfect kisses, hate hats in our kitchens. We've got scary new experiences, edibles and religiousness, and cuddles on the weekends, late nights just to sleep in on. Yeah, yeah. And I've got makeup on my pillows, smack dab in the middle. Got a taste for chili peppers, just to hear you belt them. Got a billion little memories making up my anatomy, and I'm a better person for having you be a part of
Oh, paglabas mo lang, yun na, init na. Aww. Ay, joke lang, ang lamig pa din. Ayo.
Pangat mo, Jay. Enjoy.
Yan yan, ito sarap.
No?
Ha? Ano ibon? Ano? Saan galing?
Ako lang yung nag-take.
Hindi makita. Saan ibon? Ha? Ay, yun. Oo nga. Yan, no? May ibang cactus.
Cacti. Cactus ka ba? Pangit. Ay, sorry.
Ikaw talaga yung white rabbit eh. All roads leads to Rome.
Gagawin natin. Ah, doon pala. Doon daw. This looks like wings. Diba? Ay, oh, talagang wings. Kasi ibon pala yan. Kaya pala mukhang pakpak. Ay, bad trip.
Tipo daw ba? Hindi mo lang. Yung iba wala kayo.
Alam mo yung ano, yung mga OFW na naka...
Oh.
Three grape. There's a little flower. Uy, may puno. Ano ka ba?
Charlie Brown.
Akala ko Charlie ka.
Ikat ako. Nakaroon ako 1 million pa.
Parang kung papasok sa forest.
At ito po siya ko.
Oh, so scary, bro. It's so cool.
Yo. I think that looks like a brain. Hindi, parang brain.
Oh, wow. What?
Ultra. Ultra tawag. Ultra yung
Ultra. Copper tone.
into the park.
Ganun talaga buhay. May mga bagay na kala mo sa una pangit, pero may gaganda rin. Bakit may hope yun, ni?
Bushfires.
Oo, saan na tayo?
Yo. Wait, nakikita.
Ay, ha?
Kailangan. Una na sume, pero nangyayari na para nalile. Gosi. Dragon ba yan? Hindi naman yung dragon. Si Dragon! Here's the goats. Here's the... That should just touch the flower, bro. No. It's the... Oh, si Winnie the Pooh! Ano yung papuntang budok?
Papuntang Tampines.
Oo.
Approaching Tampines Station. I repeat. Approaching Tampines Station. I repeat.
Ibang ano, kaya ako... Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas. But... Ito sa vision na siya, yes, siya.
Sa taas.
Masana ako.
Ito na yung rapid dun sa USS. Rapid basa. Nabasa pa rin ako para tayong naulanan.
Umuulan sa loob.
Masana ako.
Hanggang mamaya niya yung sasabihin. Basta
Kailangan ko
na.
ng shampoo. Kailangan ko ng sabon.
Parang maliliit na raptor yun.
You scream like...
Salis ka dyan.
The giants? That's what they called?
Yes, they're just herbivores. That's why.
My favorite animal is a Brachiosaurus.
Para sa akin.
This bird. Yo, ano yun? Ay, ilaw na pala.
Ay, isa to. This is a video.
Ay, hindi. Ay,
Water, ways of water.
thank you for fishing it. Oh, I hope you have a great day.
Avatar.
I dare you to sweet water. Blue ba yun?
I just have one very important question to ask all of you before meeting up. Is everyone excited to meet Blue? Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, everyone, meet Blue! It's okay, easy, easy, alright? Eyes on me. As you see, ladies and gentlemen, they're going to keep the command, and even as I'm shifting from left to right, you notice that I said being still right on me as I move. No, only when I put my head down. That's when you realize the training exercise is over.
Snail. This is a secret garden. It's called secret garden.
Top secret tour. Top secret mission. Yo!
Yo! Yo! Uy, meron din pala doon sa taas. Ay, ko nakita. Diba?
Ano, parang temple. No?
Ay, temple run pala, hindi pala.
Video. Welcome to my vlog. Ay,
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Ito na naman siya.
Baka di mo na-miss.
Si 11165.
Hey, Jane, baka. Ito ba?
Yo, ito mo. May pangat na mukha. Hello? Hi! Ay. Isa lang. Ah. Ay, wala. Ay, tara nito video pala.
Ilalagay na ang kildo. Ano yung lagay? Mga dalagan.
Box ka din. Gumalaw.
Hindi niya alam paano gamitin.
Tapa. Peace. P1 Harmony. Charot. Distracted. Wow. Manong. Paano ka po nakakagalaw? Wala Manong pangalan niya. Nagsalita siya ng Manong ako. Hello po. Wow. Isa pa. Wow. Ooh.
$50 lalaki. Pera. Okay, nakasagay.
Ah. Hello po. Nag po.
Ituloy mo yan sa panga. Panga nga.
Yan. Video. Magawa mo. Taray. Oh. Uy! Masyadong malakas. Oh, ikaw. Ala. Lana. Oh, sabihin mo, di ka talaga marunong. Ayan, galing. Honey! Si Sarah, ironin mo yan.
Sige, ano yan? Grandma.
Wow! Oh! Believe and believe. Wow! Boss, pa-request nga po, Sumika.
Yari.
Sos, sling.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mother! Wait lang nga! Hala, hindi ko na-videoan yung kanina pagtakpo ko. Hello?
Diba?
Oh my gosh. Sumat, ang tapat na nga talaga. Madam Marble, Peter Rawi, kamusta po si Tom?
Okay po.
Ito ba si Tom? Bayag ka ba ito si Tom? Dapat sa picture, hindi siya ganun ka ano. Pero dito, okay naman. Mukha namang yoso. Ganda ba talaga? Ay, oo, ganda siya katangkad. Kasi dun sa, ano, diba, kasama si Yosa, pantay sila. Ooh. Hi! Omniscient Reader pala! Saan dito din sila, ano? Big boy. Ma! Omniscient Reader. Di ba sila? Ayoko nga pala. Oh? Poppy, 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 poppy. Hello. Oh! Ganito ba yung feeling pag mas matangkad sa kanya? Yung POV. Papa, hello. Hello. Oh. Yeah. Biglang bumukas yung mask ko. Ay, tira.
I've been dreaming of my bed, but I can't get through the night. Living in my chest, but I'm feeling so alive. Don't remember what you said, but
Ay, na-miss ko talaga yun. Yung live na yun. Sino nga?